The Ringke Onyx case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a compelling balance of protection and practicality, though it does come with a few compromises. The case's standout feature is its distinctive matte texture, which not only provides excellent grip, but also does an impressive job of keeping fingerprints at bay. A welcome feature for those who hate constantly wiping down their case. Built from a specialized thermoplastic urethane material, the case feels surprisingly premium despite its modest price point. The mechanical design elements add visual interest without being overly aggressive, and the military-grade MIL STD 810G-51 6.6 certification provides peace of mind for those occasional drops. I particularly appreciate how the case maintains a relatively slim profile while still offering substantial protection for all four corners and the camera bump. The case's precision-cut design deserves praise, with perfectly aligned button covers and port cutouts that don't interfere with daily use. The addition of lanyard holes on both sides is a thoughtful touch, though it's worth noting that you'll need to supply your own strap. The raised lips around the screen and camera array provide that extra bit of protection when laying the phone flat. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the TPU material is durable, it doesn't quite match the premium feel of more expensive cases. Additionally, color options are somewhat limited compared to competitors like Spigen or D-Brand. Despite these minor quibbles, the Ringke Onyx makes a strong case for itself as a daily driver. It's not the most premium option on the market, but it strikes an excellent balance between protection, usability, and value. For Galaxy S25 Ultra owners looking for reliable protection without breaking the bank, the Ringke Onyx deserves serious consideration.